What is up, guys? We're back. It's been a while, but we're back. This video is about the BASEUS power combo, which I did a review on, but it did miss a few cables which I ordered. I got them in the meanwhile, and they're here. I got the Type C to Type C, which has a maximum output of 100 watt, and the USB A to Type C, which got a maximum output of 66 watt. Let's dive right into it. We got 4 devices from left to right: the JBL Extreme 3, the OnePlus 7T, the DJI OM5 gimbal, and the iPad. First, let's go back to the graph. As we can see, we have max output of 100 watt when one Type-C port is in use. Let's go ahead and connect all our devices and see what the power delivery is for each device. I took out the gimbal because it's a low power device. Instead, I'm using the MagSafe power bank. After that, we will check the power delivery when multiple ports are used. Okay guys, So this was it for this video. I hope you liked it, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.